In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock yourself on Instagram when someone blocked you. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to unblock yourself on Instagram, you'll need a little bit of help from your friend or a family member. So all you have to do is to take their phone and open their Instagram account. Then go to chats. Now click on this icon at the top right corner of your screens. Okay, now you need to create a new group, and in this new group you need to add yourself and the person that you think has blocked you. So first add yourself and then add the person that has blocked you. Then tap on create group chat. Okay, now a group is created, and in this group both you and the person that has blocked you are added. So whenever you'll send a message in this group, then the person that has blocked you will also receive that message. In this way, you can easily unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.